Hello and welcome to PSR Pinnacle classes. Now that JEE exams எல்லாம் இப்போ வந்து ஆரம்பிக்குது இன்னில இருந்து அதுல how to find out the percentile number 1. Number 2, students keep asking me how to get high score, how to score high percentile in JEE mains. Okay. Now percentile is also used limitedly in NEET அது அப்புறம் பார்ப்போம். But how to score well in NEET in JEE percentile அப்படின்னாக்கா first we should understand what percentile is. Now the first thing is நம்ம all these years we are used to scoring high in terms of marks, right? So marks of course important, but அது limited importance தான். Importance is what range of marks we score in. அதுக்கு மேல marks பத்தி ரொம்ப கவலைப்பட வேணாம். Percentage is an indicator of rank. In short, I will tell you a little bit simpler way of understanding percentile, right? So now suppose in JEE mains there are many batches, you all know that. So suppose let us take any one batch, right? Batch 1. In this batch, in case let us assume some 1000 students are appearing for the exam, right? So based on the difficulty level of the exam, the marks will vary. Suppose let us assume the first student gets 280 marks as the first mark, and then the next student gets 279, right? 275 and so on till the 1000th. Let us even assume that the last student gets say 50 marks. It's a random allocation of marks. Suppose now we take the 10th rank student, right? Any student who has got the 10th rank. Percentile, how do you understand, is the number of persons below you. In this case, if you have got the 10th rank, it will be number of persons below you including you is 990. This expressed as a percentage of total people who have appeared. When you express it as a percentage, that will give you your percentile. In short, we can make it as percent ILE. Okay, so this is the percentile. When you understand based on this, you can easily understand that there may be another batch where suppose the paper is very difficult, right? So then the marks may vary. You may find even the top student getting 220 and the same 10th rank student may be in the mark, I'm just guessing, right, of 160. Now here and so on, and the last student may even get 0. Okay, now the 10th rank student here and the 10th rank student here is considered as the same. That is percentile. Okay, so for instance here the 10th rank student may have got 220 or even 250, right? Now here we have got 160, but in one batch if you have got 250, it is equal to the 160 in another batch depending on how others score. Okay, so percentile, in short, let me just explain to you. Percentile has got little to do with marks. You have to have a good mark range. What is a good mark range in JEE for 300? If you get say anything above randomly above 120, it is considered as a good range, and anything above that is going to be better across all batches. So you don't worry too much about marks. Focus on working hard on trying to do your best. Okay, and which is, in short, do not worry about marks or your rank, because across batches it is going to be different, and you do your best, be the best. Okay, thank you.